Take a deep breath, slowly in and out through your nose. You are tapping into an internal mechanism for better health and fitness. It's simple, it's free, and it's always there. In this video, we will discuss how breathing can change your life. Have you ever thought about your breathing? Most people don't. Breathing is an automatic function of the body, but you can also control it. You must breathe to live, and so your body will do everything it can to make that happen. But your environment, stress, and how you breathe can alter and even impede that process. We take 20,000 breaths a day, including while we are asleep. How many of those are you conscious of? We don't need to be conscious of each of those breaths. This is the wonder of the body. It breathes and digests for us, and keeps the heart beating while we attend to our lives. So what is mindful breathing, and how can it help? We'll answer all that, and take a look at some health benefits of mindful breathing. We'll also cover a few helpful exercises to help you foster a sense of inner peace. What is mindful breathing? Breathe, they say. Take a deep breath, and you'll be fine. We all know the simple act of breathing can have a positive effect on us. It's clear from the language we use. Most of the time, we are breathing shallow breaths through our nose or mouth. This is normal breathing. Mindful breathing involves paying attention to the sensation of the breath coming in and out of your body. This means noticing the breath, how and where you feel it in the body, without trying to change it. It involves engaging in a profound breathing exercise, characterized by intentional and controlled inhalations and exhalations, using expansive breaths to regulate the duration. This is to achieve a desired outcome, like falling asleep or reaching a state of relaxation, while in meditation or hypnosis. Mindful breathing serves as a cornerstone in cultivating core mindfulness. Incorporating meditation techniques, such as mindful breathing, can result in a number of scientifically proven health benefits. The benefits of mindful breathing. Mindfulness meditation practice offers multiple benefits to those who practice it, such as pain relief, stress reduction, anxiety reduction, less negative thinking and negative self-talk, increased compassion and more positive emotions. Improved cognitive functions like memory, attention, and focus. Improved sleep. Improved brain health. Emotional regulation. Why does mindful breathing work? When we direct our attention to our breath, our focus shifts away from areas of pain. In doing so, we disengage from the worrisome narratives we create which we often associate with that pain. We attain a state of presence, free from the distractions of the future or past. We learn how to observe pain as a result of training ourselves to pay attention. This is mindfulness, to see and not react, to notice the qualities, and to do so as an observer. Often, detaching from the emotion of pain reduces the sensation of discomfort. Some studies have proven the effectiveness of mindful breathing on pain relief. In a study from 2016, scientists found mindful breathing to reduce self-reported pain scores. This may help people to rely less on medication. Mindful breathing and stress. Evidence shows increased time spent practicing mindful breathing results in reduced stress. Stress is usually the result of negative thoughts that defy our ability to cope with a situation. Mindful breathing teaches us to become aware of thoughts that are coming in and out of our attention. With this awareness, we observe the transient nature of thoughts. We then develop the ability to choose to pay attention to them or not. During mindful breathing, we also spend time in the gap, the point between thoughts. This can be a very calming and peaceful feeling. The immediate effect is relaxation of the body. And as the body and mind are connected, when we relax the body, the mind follows. Again, by placing awareness on the breath, we train ourselves to maintain focus on this area. Training our attention while breathing has outcomes that pervade all parts of life. We become more attuned to realizing when we have become distracted by thoughts. With this new awareness, we can then choose what to do with our thoughts. We can bring our attention back to the present moment and refocus on something else, such as what is in front of us. Or we can reframe that thought in a kind and helpful way. Ask yourself, is this kind? Is this helpful? When we become present, we realize that anxious thoughts are usually about the past or future. We see that things aren't usually an issue right now. Our thinking becomes more rational. Negativity bias and chemical systems. We have a negativity bias of 3 negative thoughts to 1 positive thought. This is attributed to the evolutionary development of our survival-oriented brain. The role of this part of the brain is to perceive threats, real or not. Although it protects us, we can get caught up in negative thinking about our lives, the world, or ourselves. When this happens, our body switches to survival mode. This activates our sympathetic nervous system. Adrenaline and cortisol are released. We are ready for fight or flight. The physiological changes can be so subtle that we may not immediately perceive them. These subtle shifts may include an elevated heart rate, accelerated breathing, or sweaty palms. When the stressful thought or event passes, the cortisol decreases. Balance returns to the body. Over time, the body requires extra cortisol to deal with these stressors, and a buildup of cortisol can shrink the brain by killing brain cells. Regular mindful breathing reduces cortisol by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. This tells the body that everything is okay. While each inhalation produces noradrenaline, potentially hindering focus, practicing mindful breathing offers a remedy. Mindful attention to our breath fosters synchronization, enhancing the harmony between brain activity and breathing. This synchronization not only optimizes attention levels, but also contributes to improved brain health. Mindful breathing exercise. Now let's put the theory into practice. You can follow this breathing practice virtually anywhere. Even if you just need to take a minute to practice breath meditation at your desk, you can. Ensure you are sitting in a comfortable position and set a timer. Close your eyes if that is comfortable for you. You may prefer to keep your eyes open and focus on a point in the room. Take deep breaths in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Start by bringing your attention to the sensation of the support beneath you. Notice the temperature of the room. Notice any sounds around you, near or further away. Then bring your attention inward to the sensation of your breath. At this point, you may wish to place your attention on one of the following: counting your breaths. Count 1 for each inhale, and exhale together until you reach 10. Start again from 1 if you become distracted. Focusing on the sensation. Think about the rising and falling of your chest or belly, wherever you feel your breath. This is known as belly breathing. Focusing on the point at which the breath changes. Concentrate on when your breath changes from inhalation to exhalation. Practicing alternate nostril breathing. Block your left nostril and focus on breathing only through the right nostril. Then try the other side, noticing the quality of the breath. With curiosity, observe the difference in each breath. Is it longer than the last? Shorter? Deeper? Shallower? Continue this practice for a predetermined duration. Relax and savor the moment. When the timer sounds, wiggle your fingers and toes. Then gently open your eyes. You should feel refreshed and renewed. That's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to OptiHealth for more captivating health-related content. As always, thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay cool, stay healthy, and stay curious.